Home prices are up 1.4% year over year on the Eastern Shore, while Maryland overall home prices are up 4.7%. It's Friday, June 19th, 2026. Happy Juneteenth. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. There are 2,409 active units on the Eastern Shore, with the median list price holding firm again this week at $419,000. There are 116 units coming soon at a median list price of $449,995. New contracts fell 16% from last week to only 150 units, with a median list price of $375,000 at time of contract. 144 properties sold in 26 days at 97.3% list to sold for a sold price of $406,000. There are 144 rental properties again this week. Rent has dropped down to a median of $2,025 per month. Are you curious about the market? Let's talk if you need some guidance. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, June 19th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you have a 3-day weekend, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next week. Take care.